In this video, we're going to dive into how to use AI predictions in TeamGate CRM, and if you're looking to streamline your sales process with AI insights, you're in the right place. Stick around to the end because I'll also be sharing some awesome alternatives that might just be a better fit for your needs, and I have an exclusive offer for you. Let's get started. First, AI predictions in TeamGate CRM are designed to help you forecast sales more accurately, giving you insights into which deals are more likely to close. This feature can help sales teams prioritize their efforts by focusing on opportunities with the highest probability of success. By analyzing historical data and current trends, TeamGate uses AI to predict the outcome of your deals, essentially telling you which prospects are most likely to convert. Next thing, it's important to know that TeamGate's AI doesn't just stop at predicting deals. It also helps you track customer engagement and behavior, which in turn can give you a clearer picture of what your clients are interested in. For example, if a prospect is interacting with your emails or website more frequently, the AI will flag that interaction as a signal that they might be closer to making a decision. This can help your team act faster and be more proactive. The third thing to consider is the integration of AI predictions into your daily workflow. Instead of manually checking through every deal and lead, TeamGate's AI helps automate this by sorting your pipeline based on the likelihood of closing. This way, you don't waste time on deals that are less likely to convert. Everything is ranked for you, so your team can focus on what matters. Another important point is that TeamGate CRM gives you the ability to adjust AI predictions based on your unique criteria. While the AI makes suggestions based on historical data, you can tweak those parameters to better fit your business model. Whether it's adjusting for specific customer profiles or setting new prediction thresholds, you have control over how the system works for you. Now, one downside with TeamGate CRM's AI is that while the predictive analytics are strong, they can sometimes be overly generalized. You might need to invest some time tweaking the system to make it truly align with your specific business processes. It's not a set it and forget it type of tool, but once you put in that effort, it can be extremely valuable. The fifth thing to consider is TeamGate's usability. The user interface is pretty intuitive, but the AI tools might require a bit of a learning curve. If you're new to AI and CRMs, it might take a while to get used to how predictions are displayed and how to make the most of the insights. But once you get the hang of it, it can save you a lot of time and effort. Finally, while TeamGate's AI predictions are useful, there are alternatives out there that might serve your business needs even better, especially if you're looking for more comprehensive sales automation or a CRM with deeper AI capabilities. In fact, I'll be sharing some of these alternatives in just a moment, and I have some exclusive free trials for you to check out. So, as promised, if you want to take TeamGate CRM for a spin, I've got a special deal for you. Through the link in the description, you'll get access to an exclusive extended free trial, giving you more time to explore AI predictions in TeamGate CRM. But I'll also recommend some powerful alternatives that might align even better with your business goals. These alternatives also offer free trials, so you can explore them risk-free. Check out the link below for all the details. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to explore all your options before making a decision.